and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another skating video. We are going to be doing the sit spin and camel spin, so I'm just going to be sharing some tips and tricks and what kind of mistakes you should be looking out for. So I hope you find this video helpful, and yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're going to start off with squat dips. So we're going really low into our knees, really getting that feel of that low position and increasing our strength. So I would do a few of these, at least hold the position for 3 seconds and maybe do it 2 times 3. Okay, next exercise is shoot the duck, and before you try this on the ice, I would definitely recommend trying it off ice. It's a normal pistol position, and then once you feel confident and you feel like you've gained enough strength, try it on the ice. And I would do this 2 times 3, and this is really going to help you with your sit spin. Really try to get all the way down, really trying to keep your knees together and your back straight, arms out in front of you, and really trying to create the same position that you will be doing in the sit spin. So to get us ready for the sit spin, I like to do a lunge into spin position. So you're already gonna start spinning here, but this is really gonna prepare you for the swing around movement that happens. And you can do it as slow or as fast as you want. It gives you enough time to get ready for everything. And like I said before, really try to keep your knees together as much as you can and try to open that leg and keep the back straight, arms out in front of you. So once you feel really confident with the lunge into spin exercise, you're going to try to do a sit spin. So with whatever entrance is comfortable for you, you are going to create that torque, and then you are going to go into that sit spin. So the swing around is a lot faster, and it's going to be way more powerful than in the lunge spin. So really get ready and make sure that your balance is all correct. Really trying to keep your knees here together and trying to open up that leg, keeping everything straight, your back straight, your legs straight, and trying to create just a nice position. And always remember to finish with a nice exit. And here I'm just going to show a close-up. So as you see, my back is straight, arms are out, and legs are straight. I really prefer the arms out in front. I just think it gives it a better look instead of some other arm positions. I'm also showing you how it would look with an inside 3-turn entrance. So basically the same, just a little bit different at the beginning. Now we're gonna go on to the camel exercises, and we're gonna start off with the spiral exercise. So we're just holding the leg a little bit above the hip, so it's not as high as you can hold it, because if you try to do a real spiral, it's gonna go a bit to the side, and here we really wanna pay attention that the leg is behind us and in a line. So you wanna hold this for a long circle or as long as you can. Just make sure you do it a couple of times so you build up enough strength to hold that leg behind in the line. So basically now we're going to do exactly the same thing, but our leg is bent, so it's kind of mimicking the entrance of the camel, and you're just trying to keep your leg in the same line as your hip and trying to just get that good feel for the entrance. Now we're doing a little bit something similar as the last exercise, but we're just slowing it down a little bit. So we're starting off in a T-stop, and then we're just pushing ever so slightly, and we're just going into that camel entrance, and we're just trying to hold it as long as we can until it starts spinning itself. You really don't want to push a lot here because you don't want to lose that line. If you push off too much, you're going to lose the line, and your hips and your shoulders are going to go out of line, and you're going to lose your balance. So finally, we're going to get to the camel spin, and we're just really trying to incorporate all the exercises here. So you're really trying to keep your legs and hips and your arms in the same line, trying not to kick or overswing that hip. I see it a lot that people just let their hip go and it just goes in, it doesn't stay back, and it's really, really hard, but you need to build up that strength so you can hold it behind you and hold the camel spin. It's all about balance and strength here, and you really want to make sure that your leg is straight and you always end with a nice exit. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you have any questions or you'd like to see a different video, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you like skating videos, please like this video. So until next time, bye!